Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to enable photo tagging on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. This feature allows others to tag you in photos, enhancing your social media interactions. Let's get started. First, open X in your web browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left-hand menu and click on the More icon. This will expand a list of additional options. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Once inside, click on your account, which will lead you to a page with various account settings. From here, choose Account Information to proceed. Now, locate the option labeled Protected Posts and click on it. Within this section, you'll find the Photo Tagging setting. Click on it to open the photo tagging preferences. Finally, toggle the button to enable photo tagging. Once activated, others will be able to tag you in photos shared on X. And that's it! You've successfully enabled photo tagging on X using your PC. This simple adjustment can make your social media experience more engaging and interactive. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting with others on X.